हेलो एवरीवन, इज एवरीथिंग ग्रेट? तो आज हम बनाने वाले हैं हाउस वॉल हैंगिंग। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। First we will take a cardboard. On that I have drawn house drawing. So let's cut it. Now cover it with white paper. Before covering, let's draw a line like this way. It will help us to cover our cardboard properly. अब हम इसको कट करेंगे and stick the cardboard. I am sticking it with glue gun. You can use normal glue also. Now let's take one more piece of a paper and stick it at back side. Now draw a drawing like this way. Now let's take two ice cream sticks to make roof. So before that we will make a hole here to pass our ribbon. So here I have pointed scissor. So let's make hole. Now let's take our ice cream stick with glue gun. Now let's take a ribbon and pass it through a hole. So I will stick the ribbon at back. You can also tie it. And the house wall hanging is ready. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. And also do follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.